Hi everyone. I want to show off something new I got that is actually going to help me sleep at night. Something to keep me cool. I'm hot when I sleep. And in my new place, it is not really friendly as far as air conditioner. So I got this really cool fan that actually has a cooling. It's an Arctic Air. And I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. A friend of mine had sent me a gift card, and I decided to buy something that I could really use. In my kitchen, I have very low ceilings. And I have one vent. As you come out of the kitchen, it's a very small area. The ceilings get a little bit higher. And then I have another vent. So it stays cool downstairs. It does stay cool. All my cold air stays downstairs. But then you get to this area and we go to 20-foot ceilings and all the heat rises. All my heat is up there. And so at night, it's super hot upstairs. And if I run too much air conditioning all night, it's freezing down here. And that's Max. And that's Lucy. They like it freezing though. But these high ceilings collect all that heat for me. So the first thing that you got to do when you get your air conditioner is freeze the ice pack that comes with it. Mine's all frozen and ready. I'm going to take it upstairs and show you how cool it really is. Okay, I'm upstairs now. Give you an idea of how high the ceilings are. And no vents. No return air vents. That's how high. And then this is the room. And the only vent is way over here in the corner. That is the only vent that I have. There's for the filter. So here is the air conditioning tower. It's very sleek looking, very nice. Not too fancy. Doesn't look bulky. So you take in the back, you open it up and you put your ice pack. The ice pack comes with it. You put it in. You're going to fill the rest with water. Very hard to do when you don't have a cameraman. But it is what it is. But I'm seriously mean it is what it is. So, once you put it in, you're good to go. You can set up to hours. You can go set it to run for a certain amount of hours. It'll shut off on its own, so you have your timer. You have different settings. You can blast it. You can also make it turn. But it will cool off immediately. And you give it a minute, you will actually see how cold the air is. I don't know if you can actually see it in the video, but in person, it is like watching your own breath outside. We don't have something we don't see out here in Vegas. If you can see the cold air, it's amazing. It is very nice and sleek looking. And as you can see, it's not super loud. I'm just amazed at how you can actually see it. Like I said, I'm in Vegas. You don't see that in Vegas. Anyway, I just wanted to share what an awesome item this is. And this is definitely going to save me from running my air conditioner and freezing my downstairs while I can't sleep because it's too hot in this really awkward space I have. And there's the dog, Lucy. And of course, there's Max. Max, what are you doing? And of course, oh, my art station. I'm portable now. I don't have an art room, so I'm portable. But let's go back and see as it got colder. You can see the cold air blowing out. If I run it for 16 hours on just regular speed, which is what it's on right now, I don't have to fill it. It will actually last for 16 hours at normal speed. Well, that's all I got, guys. Thank you for watching.